Beverly Hills Optometry's Advanced Dry Eye Center. We have Waldo here with us.
Hello.
And Waldo just completed his 4th IPL session, and he'd like to share his experience. Waldo?
Yes, thank you. I've been to an optometrist, and I didn't see the equipment what was there to help me. So I just did a little more research, and then I found Dr Silani. It was very interesting how he had a lot of things around to help me, and then the first time I was just looking for hope, just to see how if anything would change. And then as time went on, IPLs went on, I saw better improvement, and then I just felt better. I go out more and just find my friends more, and it was just more, I feel more relaxed, and I worry about less, and
More confidence.
Everything's been good. I think it's going on a good route.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure working with you, and hopefully we continue the journey and moving more from a rehabilitative phase to more of a maintenance phase, and continuing with your home regimen will be important, but also continuing with what we've been doing will be really beneficial for you. So pleasure to work with you, and happy to take care of any of the future patients that are watching this.
I'd like to say that everyone else around here is very helpful. I felt like I'm in a safe place. I feel very welcomed. And the doctor's the best.
We try to treat our team like family, and our patients as well. So thank you for saying that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Appreciate it, Waldo.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.